Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar terms inclusion of nearby hills around valley under Sadar Hills as unfortunate. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says Ayush medications cannot treat novel coronavirus 2019 but boost immunity leading to prevention from the deadly virus. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam inaugurates Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. And Manipur's rock band Innocent Eyes bags the championship title of second Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020. Good afternoon, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangchum, bringing you the top stories. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar has lamented that former government's ignorance has led to the inclusion of various hills and valley regions under Sadar Hills. He was speaking at the inauguration of a newly constructed community hall at Langol, Laimanai today. Laimanai Apunmanupi along with Laimanai Youth's Development Organization organized the event. Speaking at the event, Yumnam Joykumar expressed apprehension that Langol Hill Range, which was once filled with greenery, is on the verge of extinction. Mentioning that the hill range is a reserved forest area, he stressed the need to evict the households constructed at the top of the hills, excluding the ones at the foothills. Yumnam Joykumar espoused the need to carry out eviction process of the illegal constructions at the earliest, as such human intrusion in the natural habitat might affect Imphal city's environment. Assuring that the government is initiating necessary measures to save the environment, he appealed people of the area to carry out mass afforestation and extend possible help in restoring the natural environment of the hill range.
So then Ibudo Labani, I don't know gender Uga guide. I don't mind on a leramba, Langol Chingse, Masili Sum Coxilla Fury. Among that, unfortunately, Manipugi, Leramba, Equigi, Palamba, Quiz Sarcasm, and a political party aggregate. Palamba Sing that Equigi, Karakitan Gan Tao of Columbo. Why did it so Gan Tao of Permanent and have that Canosi Tao of Chicken? Belly the labor, Ching de Romasamsa, Singche, Sisu, said the hill skinny, as my dog sing said, was he young like a people.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar said Ayush medications cannot treat novel coronavirus 2019. However, it can boost the immune system of individuals to prevent from the deadly virus. He said the same at the National Deworming Day, February 2020, at the conference hall of the Health and Family Welfare Department, Thangal Market today. State Health Society under National Health Mission, Manipur organized the event. Minister Jayantakumar reiterated that relevant departments have initiated necessary precautionary measures to prevent the outbreak of novel coronavirus 2019 in the state. He proclaimed that the deadly virus does not relate with pre-used clothes and rearing of domestic animals at home. He said deworming tablets are being administered to children under 19 years as a part of the National Deworming Day program. He asserted that Health Department has provided necessary trainings at Social Welfare Department, Education U and relevant staffs. Minister Jayantakumar disclosed that necessary measures are underway to convert 220 primary health sub-centers to health and wellness centers in the state in near future.
Lang pausan dokitna khoi viral ori jakarawan hai target Ayush Kambuna Mui Buto Hidax in Mashi Pizer Matunda coronavirus phai and hai pot lai now see there are so many demands coming up from every NGO, the society club should give. See pay at high target, big review, demands up. I used to tell you the come out of house high Makalki coronavirus, Panama Makali Ponate. Kyoto no Makal Ponate. I used not put out the Makali hit out 100 medicine. Me the picture of Ganda, Madu, my immense, can't Adama Makali tak, Yawazan. I used to come on Hajarina, Nadri Vokambu, Sindada, Sigi Port, say, Pizza Legade, Magi immune, say, Kankalaga Tamagade, Lena, coronavirus, or don't any virus laboganda, when a modern we can do like any and Kale and having a theory the neighbor.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam inaugurated Lumjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, earlier known as Langol View, which is located near Kombirai Market at RIMS South Gate today. Speaking at the inaugural event, Minister Karam Shyam said the state government is unable to provide jobs to each and every youth of the state. He expressed happiness over the establishment of such hospital, which will provide jobs and a platform for the youth to showcase their talents. Stating that there are many eminent doctors in the state, he lamented over the lack of adequate updated medical equipment in the state. Minister Shyam asserted that people will no longer need to go outside the state for medical treatments. He urged the hospital authorities to work earnestly and provide service to the public with utmost dedication. Minister Karam Shyam appealed to the public to encourage good deeds of others and engage oneself in developmental caliber.
Afaba thabak tawbada encourage tawbagi mindset ama akoi khudimuk leiminase aduidi chawkholiba poto matang chawkhalaktuna awang bathakta lakane Manipur bu karigi sothagadoino aduna sumbagi tanja ama lamjingba group na mai pakbagi inot ama Manipur ki narol sinda pirise asuki matek tawbimal khangbu uchabagaloina na thagatchari aduna wakal afaba khallaba tabak afaba tauraba adoitadi sakot paidudi matungda human civilization dudi lani human civilization du laba matungda di kanana karigi ekoina kanada depend tawni sel thungbi phibam bhagalane everything bhagalakani adumbagi khudong chaba ma lamyanbo oiriba lamjingbana kaidongai da so atai organization gi laitana khabarda kagaza hamnariba prajagi thajaba manghanba madhumakti ai lamjingbada thokna aibagi thajaba laite lai.
Manipur's famed rock band Innocent Eyes has bagged the championship title of the second Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020. Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MAGS, under the aegis of National AIDS Control Organization, NACO, organized a campaign on the theme Northeast United Against HIV or AIDS at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre, boat in Fat Palace compound, Imphal, yesterday. 8 rock bands from across the Northeast states competed in the multimedia campaign, which aimed to aware youths on HIV or AIDS. It may be mentioned that Manipur's eminent rock band wishes back the championship title of the first Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2019 held at Kohima last year. A team of Thaubal Commando arrested a personnel of 6 Assam rifles in possession of more than 2 lakh pieces of World is Yours tablet at around 8 p.m. last night. The personnel is identified as 35 years old young Khom Bikram, son of Chandra Mohan from Kakching Moirangthem, Laika. According to Impact News sources, the team arrested Bikram during a frisking operation at Wangjing Market along Imphal Mori Road. The team recovered 23 packets of World is Yours tablet from the back of his car. The vehicle is a silver-colored Maruti Swift Desire bearing registration number MN01AG2307. It may be recalled that a Red Shield Division colonel of Assam Rifles was arrested with contraband drugs worth around 15 crore rupees while ferrying towards Myanmar in 2013. People fondly remembered renowned author Maharaj Kumari Binodini on her 98th birth anniversary today. Laimarol Khorjekol held observance at the organization's office in Koakaithal, Moirangpuril. Eminent artist Professor Thoiding Jamtombi stressed on literature and Maharaj Kumari Binodini at the event. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of late Maharaj Kumari Binodini on the occasion. On a note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit at Kokrajhar in Assam regarding celebrations of signing of Boro Accord. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Kokrajhar in Assam to participate in an event to celebrate the signing of the Boro Accord today. All arrangements have been made to make the event a grand success. A multi-layered security arrangement is in place for Prime Minister's visit. Nearly 4 to 5 lakh people are expected to attend the event. All Boro Students' Union also carried out a bike rally welcoming the Accord and Prime Minister's visit yesterday. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal and his ministerial colleagues will attend the event. The tripartite Boro agreement was signed between the Centre Assam government and the BAN Assam-based insurgent group National Democratic Front of Bodoland (NDFB) on 27th of last month. The agreement is aimed at bringing political and economic benefits to the Boro tribe, which is one of the largest tribes of Assam. The existing structure of the Bodoland Territorial Council will be strengthened with more powers, and its seats will be expanded from 40 to 60. An economic program of 1,500 crore rupees will be implemented in the next 3 years with equal contribution from centre and the state. The Assam government will soon notify Boro language as an associate official language of the state. And now the sports news. Northeast United will play against Kerala Blasters in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League 2019-2020 at Guwahati's Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium tonight at 7:30 in yesterday's league match played at Mumbai Football Arena. Mumbai City defeated Jamshedpur FC by 2-1. For the winners, Amin Chermati and Bidyananda Singh scored 1 goal each at 60 and 90 plus 2 minutes of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Noah Acosta at 7th minute of the match. East Bengal will lock horns with Aizawl FC in the match of the ongoing Hero I-League at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium this evening. At 5, Mohun Bagan, Minerva Punjab and Trau FC are at the first, second and third position with 23, 17 and 15 points each respectively in the points tally. In Under-19 Cricket World Cup final, defending champions India will take on Bangladesh at Potchefstroom in South Africa on Sunday. The final was set up after Bangladesh registered a comprehensive 6-wicket victory over New Zealand in a second semi-final yesterday. This is the first time Bangladesh has reached the final of the Under-19 World Cup. In the first semi-final played on Tuesday, 4-time champion India thrashed arch rivals Pakistan by 10 wickets. All India Civil Service Table Tennis tournament kicked off at Chief Chhatrapati Sports Complex, Balewadi, Pune today. Maharashtra government organized a tournament. 37 teams, including Manipur Secretariat team, will compete in the tournament, which will continue till February. Tej Biren as coach and M. Komal as manager will supervise the 6 men and 5 women players of the Manipur Secretariat team. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar terms inclusion of nearby hills around Valley under Sadar Hills as unfortunate. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says Ayush medications cannot treat novel coronavirus 2019 but boost immunity leading to prevention from the deadly virus. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam inaugurates Lumjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. And Manipur's rock band Innocent Eyes bagged the championship title of the second Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020.